Hi, this is Shelley Kraft. We're coming to you live on SNNLive. We're at the Cambridge House International Toronto Resource Investment Conference 2012. I like to say that fast. I'm with Howard Katz of Tamaka Gold. It's a private company. Ladies and gentlemen, Howard Katz. How are you, Howard? Welcome back to SNNLive.
Shelley, thanks for having me back.
So what's the progress of Tamaka?
We've been pretty busy this summer. We have a pretty comprehensive summer exploration program which is just winding up. We did a whole bunch of sampling and entrenching on our property package this summer, and it's really a follow-up to our geophysics program which we conducted earlier on in the year, and we've been getting back some very encouraging results.
I love the word encouraging. It's good to get results. Where do you go from here?
Well, right now we've generated a very large amount of drill targets, and so the next stage is going to be drilling, on track to expanding our resource.
And funding to get the drilling, to get public, all of that happy stuff is coming in this next quarter?
Correct, yeah. We are doing a small capital raise as we speak, and it's been well received, so we're very happy about that. As well, we're positioning ourselves for what we hope will be a Q1 window where we can look at stronger markets and possibly have the option of going public.
Yeah, whatever the opportunities may prevail, depending on the markets, of course. Question for you: where is your properties located?
So just to remind everyone, we're located the northwestern part of Ontario, so we're about 100 kilometers to the east of Rainy River approximately, and we're in a fairly well-known mining jurisdiction.
So you can get home for lunch? I
can, yeah. It's a short trip out to the project.
It's just amazing, ladies and gentlemen. You know, here he is. He lives in the city, Toronto, and he can go to his mining properties. He could drive there leisurely, stop and, you know, just come home for lunch. It's amazing to me, isn't it?
It is. It's a fantastic project. We have great setup. It's one of the best setups that I'm aware of.
Now tell us, what is your background?
I'm a former investment banker and very experienced in the small and mid-cap mining space. Really financed a lot of projects that have similar profiles to Tamaka, and have created a lot of shareholder value over the years for companies like Tamaka.
And one of his criteria was that he had to pick a project that was close enough to home that he could get home for lunch. I hate to belabor that point, but I just think it's amazing.
Absolutely, that was one of the key criteria.
So now talk about your team. Who do you have on board in the geologist area?
We have an excellent Vice President Exploration, Roger Scammell. Roger is well known and regarded in the industry. He spent over 10 years as the country manager in Mexico for Teck Corporation, as well as we have Carl Petersey, who's our Vice President of Operations, very well respected mining engineer and actually one of the discoverers of the deposit originally. And we have a very strong technical team supporting them. You know, at any given time we'll have somewhere between you know, 10 to 15 professionals working on the project diligently.
Now let me ask you a question. You've been on the other side.
Yeah.
How does it feel to be on the other side?
I love it. It's fantastic. It's been a phenomenal experience working with all the stakeholders that are involved with the project, the operational team, with the local communities. You get a real sense of accomplishment by building a project from the ground up, and really being able to sort of get your hands dirty, so to speak. And I've been enjoying it, working with everyone, and look forward to moving it forward.
So what do you think of the market in general? Because you're like a hybrid.
Yeah, I think what we've seen is that the market has definitely, in my view, started to turn the corner. We've seen a major move by the seniors and the mid-caps over the last few months, and now we've just seen in the last month the sort of the cascade or waterfall effect of capital flowing into the junior sector. And so really within the last 3 to 4 weeks, we've seen a pretty large movement in the junior sector, and that's why it's creating optimism for me that it should create an IPO window for companies like mine within the next, for instance, for Q1, because I think at this point people are going to want to see some stability and some momentum gaining in the markets. if things hold together the way they have been, then it should create for a very robust junior market in the next year.
For more information on Tamaka, they are going to be sent to which website?
TamakaGold.com.
Tamaka gold.com. Howard Katz. Ladies and gentlemen, we're at the Cambridge House International Toronto Resource Investment Conference 2012. I'm Shelley Kraft. This is SNN Live. Howard Katz, Tamaka Gold, a private company. Thanks for coming on, Howard. It's good to have you on SNN Live.
Thanks very much.
Good to see you.
Good to see you.